Hey, what's up everybody? How you doing? Welcome to my kitchen. I'm about to make some homemade shawarma. I mean, every time I go to the shawarma place, I find myself begging the guy every time, bro, add more chicken. Bro, can you add more sauce? Bro, that your mayonnaise or whatever will not be enough. Bro, give me what to do. No, yesterday you did not give me fishy. And I keep patronizing these niggas. So today I decided to make me some homemade shawarma where I don't have to beg anybody to give me 3 sausages or stack my shawarma with chicken, and I will don't even have to pay that exorbitant price because I want to just have some nice or simple shawarma. So yes, I decided to make myself some homemade shawarma. It's Sunday and it's about to go down. Yeah! So the ingredients, we have cabbage, we have lettuce, I have tomato. Tomato is not particularly compulsory, but hey, I mean, tomato doesn't hurt. I have lemon. This is to mix. I squeeze a bit of lemon into the sauce, which is mayonnaise, red ketchup, and this is like a salad. It's salad cream. I don't know the name. I know the name. I just want to mention, but it's a salad cream. That's something I use. Like supposed to be a healthy salad cream. I have the regular tortilla bread, and then I also have the most popular shawarma bread wrapping. I like to use a 4 paper because it makes it easier for me to wrap my shawarma. And after that, shoom, here you go. We have boneless chicken. Yes, chicken breast, boneless, like boneless. And then I have my sausages. I'm going to hand over to my director of photography. So she's going to be handling the camera from here. So we're going to slice our chicken in bits. One of the things I've learned making shawarma is that you must not wash your cabbage and start using immediately. If not, the shawarma will be soggy and soaked up. So don't even try it. So for this one, I've already washed it like maybe some days ago. In fact, weeks ago actually. It's been in the refrigerator and I've not touched it. So it's clean. I know that it's clean. So after we take out the back, we get to the really fresh part of it, as you can see. Recording. Yeah. And the lettuce. We need all the lettuce. Put this on the side. Another one on the side. And chicken. It's chicken. That's it. Good. This paper, you know this.